It's a great honor to have Senator Cassidy here as chairman of the Health, Education, Labor and Pension Committee in the Senate. It just shows you the recognition that the U.S. Senate has now of the importance of truck drivers.
It's very important for our public officials and decision makers to see firsthand the great work that career colleges do. You're here at one of the best truck driving schools anywhere in the country. There's a vacancy as we speak of 80,000 truck drivers that are needed in this country. And for the senator to come see the pipeline that fills that gap in skill and in that profession, it's just critically important.
The American truck driver is the backbone of a safe and stable U.S. supply chain. And so for the senator to come here today to visit with the students and hear their stories about why they're here, I think it brings forward the importance of we need to find access for quality truck driver training in America.
It was great to have Senator Cassidy here to actually see the work that's being done in Baton Rouge and in Louisiana with our training providers, and to see that real-world hands-on experience. You can't beat it. You can't talk about it. You can't read about it. You really have to see it.
I think it speaks volumes for the training that we do here at Diesel Driving Academy. The program that we have is unparalleled, second to none. I think the senator enjoyed that. I think he knows that. I think that's why he wanted to come out and see us again.
Well, Senator Cassidy is a strong advocate for workforce, and so we always love to be anywhere Senator Cassidy is when he comes back to the state of Louisiana. He supports the work that we do, and he supports the training providers and everybody who's trying to make Louisiana more economically viable.
I'm very honored to have the senator come. The last time that we got together, he wanted to drive the truck. You know, we passed on that, but if in fact he were to ask this time, we may let him move it around the backing pad a little bit or something.
It's great that our senator was able to come out and visit us today.
He wants to see what he can do to help us to get more people trained and into the workforce in these high demand, high paying careers.